Welcome to Let's Build a Willys Jeep. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to install the clutch pilot bushing on the flywheel, which will be located in this hole right here. And it just is a press on onto the flywheel, and is a must-do job when doing any clutch job is to replace this because the bushing can get worn out. I am now going to go over the tools that are required to press on the bushing. This right here is the physical bushing with a outside diameter of 1 inch and a inside diameter of 5/8, and you may need to get a hand reamer at 5/8 to ream out your new bushing as they come from the factory a little bit smaller. So make sure you test fit your bushing onto your transmission to make sure it fits before you press it on. Taking you guys over to the transmission now, you want to make sure that your pilot bushing fits onto the shaft of the transmission. So just give it a quick test. After it's been reamed out to 5/8, slide it on, and you can see it slides on nicely. There's no play in the bushing when you move it up and down, and it spins nicely. You're also gonna need a saw face mallet, any kind of hammer, and a 3/4 inch socket that will be used to press on the bushing. Installing your new pilot bushing may not be that easy, as it's gonna be a very snug fit into the flywheel hole right here in the center. The first step when installing your new bushing is to get your socket and get it lined up with the bushing, and that'll make it easier to pound in. Get your hammer and just start pounding it in. As you can see, it's starting to set now. Continue to pound in your bushing until your bushing becomes flush with the front of your flywheel. Your new clutch pilot bushing is now installed into the flywheel, is now flush with the outside of the flywheel, and that is how you install your pilot bushing into your flywheel. Thanks for watching and subscribe.